How to fix COD Mobile authorization error. So first you want to go into your phone settings, and here you want to search for location. Find location services, click on it, and then disable location services. Click on turn off, and the second thing that we need to do is go back and search for screen time. If you have screen time enabled, you want to disable this as well. After you have disabled the screen time, the last thing that we want to disable is in the date and time section. So just search for date and time, click on it, and then where it says set automatically, you want to toggle this off. After you have done all of this, see if that fixes the authorization error in COD Mobile for you. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.